Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Suyash, and this is Bhakti.
Hi.
Uh, we are a research and design studio based in Mumbai by the name of Anomalia. We are thrilled here to share our manifesto, a manifesto for a conscious revolution in design. Technology and design has contributed to rapid pace of human innovation and creation that holds potential to address some of humanity's complex challenges. But let's pause for a moment and address the elephant in the room.
Thank you. We're now at a time where the mass of our designed objects far exceeds the biomass of the planet. So, construction and buildings account for roughly 39% of the global carbon emissions, of which 28% comes from operational sources, which is essentially energy needed to heat, cool, and power your buildings. But the remaining 11% comes from material manufacturing processes and the construction itself. So, our throwaway culture has, in a way, fueled a massive environmental crisis at this point. Materials from our past tend to linger on as present-day waste, and present-day materials shape our future. So we examined the trajectory of building materials through the lens of the past, present, and future, and their life cycles, and we were confronted by a number of questions. The first of which being what is the impact of manufacturing processes and its disposal, and the disposal of materials on our ecosystems. Let's take a closer look at our landfills. So in India, roughly 150 million tons of construction and demolition waste enters landfills every year. This is an official number. Unofficially, this is approximately 5 times more. Another 3.1 million tons is furniture waste and 3.4 million tons is plastic waste. So can we design using all of this waste as a valuable resource? So the fast furniture industry has long been the elephant in our room, contributing to excessive waste, rampant deforestation, and the plastic problem just adds to all of this. Here is Elephant in the Room, our project that, a furniture series that fights waste, saves forests, and aids elephants. The design for Elephant in the Room is a shift in materiality, product life cycle, and in all our environmental responsibility. This furniture series is wholly made from recycled multi-layer plastics that you get from your food and packaging waste. Difficult to recycle, but when compressed under high heat forms a material that is durable, high in strength, termite-proof, waterproof, and fire-resistant. And that material is 100% recycled and 100% further recyclable. That brings us to a building construction material that has existed for centuries. We have tried to fuse traditional manufacturing, earth manufacturing processes with new construction techniques. Here we have used earth-based construction with plastic bottle waste and also tires to create walls and the eco-cooler earth block. But what if we set out to sort of hybridize the old with the new and integrate technology into materials that have existed for centuries? Can additive manufacturing amplify the potential of earth-based materials? We experimented with a clay-based composite and 3D printed it to create structures that exhibited enhanced strength, passive climate control, and also we were able to print customizable and complex geometries. That further brings us to the question, can we design to emphasize decay over disposal?
So we set our sight on a material that's very ancient yet so futuristic, and that's mycelium. We are trying to harness the potential of this material, building a student community around our studio. Our latest endeavor The Myco Living series is a hybrid furniture series using mycelium foam and leather. The design is derived from mimicking the growth pattern of mycelium. And during the time of disposal, the mild steel framework goes back into recycling, and the material that composes the foam and leather is again going back to earth by composting. So now we are at an intersection where it's time to challenge the conventional notions of construction. And the vision is not just building architecture, but actually growing it. So imagine an environment where mycelium-based materials shape our future. And we believe the time for this evolution is now. Thank you.